Hi friends, welcome to Data Space 9. Today I am going to discuss about the three graphs. One is the phone plot, bar plot and strip plot. These are the three graphs today we are going to discuss. Coming to the phone plot, so this method is used to count the observations on the categorical data. The bar plot is used to basically this aggregate the categorical data and using some methods like this mean. So if you take the x-axis, we can take it as a categorical data, and y-axis we can take the numeric data. Okay, so in the bar plot. Coming to the strip plot it can be drawn on its own. So it is used to draw the scatter plot onto a categorical data. Okay, so this is a three graphs. So how, I will show you how to represent the data in this in the how to display the data using these graphs. I will show you. So first of all, we need to import the libraries. Import pandas, pandas as import np as np import os import plot plotly dot plot as plot import equal as so these are the libraries. You just learn this library. Then we need to read the file and taking. So I'm taking the sample superstore data set. We need to take the variable df and read underscore excel. Just run this command df dot head. I'm taking for only displaying only the fields top 5 rows, and we need to take the first one is the counter plot. Phone plot, we can use the cbound package. Cbound can define cbound as SNS phone plot is equal to data equal to df and y equal to I'm taking SNS dot phone plot data equal to def and y is equal to category. Just run this command. See this data as shown in the category wise furniture, office supplies and technology. So this is the count plot. The count plot is used to count the observations, count the observations, count the observation in the categorical data. This is the categorical data. So coming to the next one is bar plot. Bar plot is used to uh, uh, bar plot is used to aggregate the categorical data using some methods like mean and let me show you. SMS start plot. Okay. So we take a x y axis equal to I'm taking sales. So no, the x axis I'm taking as category. The y y-axis I'm taking a numeric column which says data equal to TF. Okay, let me show you this thing. See, this is we can already I mentioned in the bar plot. The x-axis we can take as a category column, and y-axis we can take as a numeric data. So it will display numeric data and data equal to TF. Okay, so this is a representation of bar plot and strip plot. Strip plot already I mentioned earlier. Strip plot is draw the graph on its own. It is used to display the data on a, it is used to draw the plot on a scatter plot uh, to uh, plot based on the category. So it's plot, SNS plot, SNS plot, split plot is equal to category equal to sales category spelling is so you can see this is a strip plot. It is furniture sales is up to this thing, and office supplies categories and technology sales are up to high. Okay, so these are the three graphs. One is one is one is one is the cone plot, bar plot, and strip plot. Cone plot is to get the number of observation on the categorical data, and to draw the plot using the observations we can represent in the categorical, and bar plot is to aggregate the categorical data using some methods like by default it takes a mean. Using some methods we will display the bar plot, and x-axis we can take it as a category, and y-axis we can represent as a numeric data, and strip plot is draw on its own. It is used to draw a scatter plot on a categorical data. So this is the three graphs. Three graphs. Please let me know if any questions, and please subscribe my channel to get more videos, and like and comment on this. Thank you, friends.